toes this way. Up on your toes. Up on your toes. Very good. Then a grand plie. Let's bend our knees this way. Down and up. Down and up. Perfect. Now a little saute. Let's all jump this way. And jump. And jump. Perfect. But we are not finished yet. Let's do a pirouette. And spin. And spin. Great. You've all worked very hard, and now it's time to take a bow.
Applause. Thank you Kalinda, Jena, Sachi, Leora, dan Memey. Bisa kesini. Kesini teman-teman ya.